If you are considering investing in the Indian market, public sector undertaking, PSU stocks can be a great option in 2024. These stocks are known for their stability, government backing, and potential for long-term growth. Here are some of the best PSU stocks to consider. NTPC, a leading power generation company with a strong track record. 2. NHPC, known for its hydroelectric power projects. Or Coal India, the largest coal-producing company in the world. Oil Natural Gas Corporation. ONGC, a major player in oil exploration. Power Grid Corporation of India, specializes in power transmission. Life Insurance Corporation of India, LIC, the largest insurance company in India. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, EL, a key player in the aerospace and defense sector. Indian Oil Corporation, IOC, a major player in the oil and gas sector. Indian Railway Finance Corporation, IRFC, focuses on financing railway projects. Choose 10. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, BHEL, known for its engineering and manufacturing capabilities. Before making any investment decisions, it's important to do thorough research and consider your investment goals. Keep in mind that the information provided here is just a starting point and may not be exhaustive. If you need more detailed information on any specific stock, it's advisable to seek the guidance of a financial advisor or do further research on your own.